Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Fitness Guide. Today's video is all about healthy breakfast ideas for people with busy lifestyles. I know how hard it can be to find time to prepare a nutritious breakfast in the morning, especially when you're rushing to get out the door. But with these simple and easy ideas, you can fuel your body for the day ahead without sacrificing your busy schedule. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe to it for more health and fitness videos. Now let's start. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a perfect breakfast option for busy mornings. Overnight oats are high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, which help to protect your body against inflammation and chronic disease. Simply mix oats, milk, and your favorite toppings in a jar, refrigerate overnight, and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to grab and go in the morning. Smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are another great option for a quick and healthy breakfast. Smoothie bowls are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help to boost your immune system and protect your body against disease. They're also a great way to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, which are important for overall health and well-being. Blend your favorite fruits and veggies with some yogurt or milk, pour it into a bowl, and top it off with nuts, seeds, and fruit for some extra crunch. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a trendy and tasty breakfast option that's quick and easy to make. Avocado toast is a good source of healthy fats, which are important for heart health and brain function. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Simply toast some whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado on top, and add some tomatoes, onions, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a great breakfast option that you can make in advance and store in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go meal. Egg muffins are a great source of protein, which is important for building and repairing muscles, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, which is important for bone health. Whisk some eggs with your favorite veggies, pour the mixture into muffin tins, and bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfaits are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that you can prepare in minutes. Layer Greek yogurt, fruit, and granola in a jar or bowl, and you have a breakfast that's high in protein and fiber. It's also a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. So there you have it, 5 easy and healthy breakfast ideas for people with busy lifestyles. With a little bit of preparation and some creativity, you can enjoy a nutritious breakfast that will keep you fueled and energized throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness Guide for more health and fitness tips.